Good morning. I'm Faye Thompson. We're here this morning to do you another family recipe. Now this recipe is for a buttermilk pie, and my grandson that lives in California, he loves these, and he's fixing to come home and visit for his mother's, they're giving her an award for being Citizen of the Year, and I'm going to cook this for him when he comes home, and also chicken and dumplings. That's another one of his requests. I made this crust myself. I'm not a great pie crust maker, but anyway. First thing we're going to do is add 1½ cups of sugar, 1 tablespoon of flour. We're going to use a minute tapioca. We're going to use a couple of tablespoons of that. 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1/2 cup of buttermilk, 1 tablespoon of vanilla flavoring. We're going to add 3 eggs. I'm going to beat them up a little bit. Our eggs are at room temperature. One stick of butter, and I'm going to have to put it in the microwave and melt it a little bit. We're adding 1 stick of melted butter to this. I'm using unsalted butter too. A buttermilk pie is real easy to get together. It's not hard at all. And it's a real good pie. It'll remind you a little bit of a chest pie, I think. Now we're going to pour this in our pie shell. This needs to cook in the 350-degree oven about 45 or 50 minutes. And I'm going to put this little cover around the pie so it won't brown the crust too much. A lot of times, sometimes you do it halfway, and sometimes I do it all the way, cooking through it to cover this up. But if I see I need to take it off halfway, I can do that, but I think it's okay like that. Our buttermilk pie has finished baking now, and we cooked it for 45 minutes, and it looks like it's done. So I hope you tried this, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as we do. And I hope I see you on another video. Thank you for watching.